I'm Sophia Bush, and I am here with Lipton Mealtime Moments, and we are going to make some shepherd's pie. I live and work in the Midwest, where it is freezing all winter long, and so I think myself and so many of my coworkers have really gotten into comfort food to get us through those long freezing days. And last year I started experimenting with different ways to make shepherd's pie because it's just one of my favorite things to eat in the winter. And I landed on this recipe. I started adding a lot of extra veggies and subbed out the regular potatoes for sweet potatoes, and it's become my go-to winter dish. I remember the first day that I brought in some leftovers so that I could eat them at work, and all of my coworkers started asking if they could try my shepherd's pie, and then it was gone. And so after that, I started making an extra casserole dish every time I made it and just bringing it into set. It's always so much fun when you make something and your friends love it. I put a smile on people's faces. It makes me feel really good. It feels like we're chipping away at that cold. It's rich and it's hearty, but it's also really healthy. And I like things that feel substantial but clean.
Oh, yes!